Hi guys, in this video we will see how to sign in with your Microsoft Copilot in your Windows 11 system. If you want to access all the features of Copilot in your system, then you must sign in with your Copilot account with Microsoft account. Here are the process. Go to Windows search and open Copilot. Type Copilot in search field and open Copilot app in your Windows 11 system. Without sign in, you can't access full feature of your Copilot app, so you must sign in Copilot app, and sign in option is available from the bottom left corner. You will find the option sign in. Simply click on it. Again choose create an account or sign in to keep all your conversation and to generate images. Click on sign in. Microsoft account sign in page will open because this is a feature of Microsoft product, so you must sign in with your Microsoft account. So follow instructions, put your credential of your Microsoft account and sign in with your Microsoft account. As you can see, your profile is duly signed in and all the Copilot feature you can access from here. If you want to change settings of your Copilot, simply click on your profile icon from the bottom left corner and you can use Copilot in Windows 11.